Swaddling your baby recreates the comfort of the womb and helps babies sleep better, which helps you sleep better too. It's so important to learn how to swaddle your baby properly, and we're here to help. Today, we're going to teach you how to swaddle your baby. Let's get started. Step 1. Place the swaddle in a diamond shape on a flat surface, like your bed or carpeted floor. Fold the top corner down to form a triangle. Step 2. Lay your baby on the swaddle and pull the left side of the swaddle across the baby's chest. Tuck the edge under your baby to secure it. Step 3. Fold the bottom of the swaddle up and over your baby's feet. Tuck it over their right shoulder to secure it in place. Step 4. Bring the right side of the swaddle across your baby's chest and tuck it under their body. Your baby will sleep so much better when they're swaddled, and so will you. A secure swaddle is the best way to get good sleep with your little one. And if you're looking for lightweight, soft swaddles to keep on hand, we've got you. Head to parkerbaby.com to check out our swaddle 3-packs. We have several designs to choose from, and each seamlessly blend with any nursery. Thank you for watching. Snag your buttery soft swaddles at parkerbaby.com today.